Hi, this is Kat with Beadaholique, and in this video I'm going to show you how to use the Beadsmith Prong Pusher with Gita settings for Swarovski crystals. So today my example is going to be using some of these stud or post earrings to show you just how to use this nice and easy tool. And this is going to help you, obviously, do those prongs and will help you create very simple, quick, and easy earrings. So before I get into that, I just want to show you some of the variety of some of these settings that we have up here. So many of these come in gold and silver, but some of them are really unique. So this one here is kind of cool. It has a nice little loop at the bottom so that you can actually put a crystal in there and then attach something else to the bottom. Then we have just some really standard ones which are really lovely, and these are going to be great for bridal or prom. Let's say you want to try to coordinate some colors. We have some of the gold ones here that have those nice little crystals on the outside already for you, so you can just coordinate your color and pop it in. Then we have some cool shapes, so I have some teardrops here which I'm going to show you in just a minute. And then we also have some ones that already have a little crystal on top, so you just need to, again, just coordinate your favorite color below. And these all come with their little wing back earring posts and finishing here, so you can see that. So we have the gold, and then we also have the rhodium up here. So this is going to be a nice sort of striking dark silver, which is going to look great against that crystal. You can just sort of see how it looks against the crystal in this particular piece right here. But each of these listings will tell you exactly the size stone that you're looking for to match your finding. So it's really nice and easy. So when you head over to Beadaholique.com and you search for your setting, it'll tell you the exact stone that you're looking for to match. So I have a couple of examples of those teardrops here, so you can just really see on this beautiful scarlet color just how that gold really just comes in and just grabs on and really makes it look just so fun and so glamorous. I love this. This is perfect, again, for any special occasion where you're trying to match an outfit and you just want a nice little Swarovski pop. So here's a smaller version, and you can see that this is the rhodium on that amethyst crystal, and again in that beautiful teardrop shape. So today I'm going to be using the rhodium here, and this fits a 12mm cushion stone, so you can just kind of see it from all angles. And this post sits in the center of this one. And this is the Majestic blue cushion stone. And then I have my pusher. Now I've left off my ear nuts here just so that I can easily grip the back, but you're welcome to put them on if you want before you place your crystal in there. It's kind of whatever you decide. All right, so very simply here, all I'm going to do is I'm going to just kind of hold it in my hand, and I'm going to get my cushion stone and just place it in the center there. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to just kind of place my thumb right on top there because I want to get a good grip and I don't want it to slip around there. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to come in with my pusher, and you can kind of put it in like the palm of your hand here and just sort of hold it, and then all you're going to do is you're just going to kind of roll it in. So we just want to kind of roll it over that prong and just push that down, just like so. And then what we're going to do is we're going to go across the way here. So I'm just going to flip it in my hand and do it again. And just kind of roll it down. And then now we're just going to rotate, and we're going to get those other two prongs. And just very easily, we're just going to roll it down and move it across and roll it down. And that's how easy it is. So I'm going to show you one more time to do my second one here. And again, I know we're putting our thumb on there. You can just kind of wipe off your fingerprints afterwards, but it really does help to hold the stone sort of in place there. So again, just very gently, and you don't want to shove it too hard because you don't want to scratch your crystal. So you just kind of come from the outside and just roll it down. And then again, go all the way across and just roll it down. And now just keep rotating. Roll it down. It doesn't take a lot of pressure. It does take a little bit, but just be gentle with it. And roll it down. So now we have both of our earrings set, and we are all finished and ready to go. So it creates a beautiful look using the Gita settings, and these are Swarovski crystals, and they just fit so nicely and so lovely in there. This is just such a beautiful piece just to add a nice, beautiful crystal pop. I hope you enjoyed this video. You can find all of these supplies and see even more tutorial videos by heading over to Beadaholique.com. And hey, if you're new here, be sure to hit that subscribe button below to get all the latest from Beadaholique.